Assalamualaikum. Today we will solve another verb exercise in which we will use future perfect tense. Okay, future perfect tense. It's a type of perfect tense. So we have to use have, will have, or shall have plus third form. Okay, will have, shall have plus third form. In the first sentence, almost these all sentences will solve with the help of same tense. Okay. In your exercise, here is mentioned that you have to use future perfect continuous or future perfect tense. What I have noticed the sentences, and I came to know that all sentences here is using future perfect tense. Okay. So the first sentence is she finished her work before the guests arrived. Okay, she finished her work before the guests arrived. So meaning we will use she shall have or she will have. She will have finished. Okay, she will have finished her work before the guests arrive. Okay, she will have finished her work before the guests arrive. Means she would have completed her work when the guests will come to their home. The next sentence is they write their exercise by the time teacher arrives. Okay. So, they will have written. They will have written. They written their exercise by the time teacher arrives. Okay, by the time teacher arrives. The next one, she returned from the tour of Europe by the middle of December. Okay, so she will have returned. Returned from the tour of Europe by the middle of December. Okay, the next one, the farmers reap the harvest before the rains. The farmers reap the harvest before the rains. Remember, the past form of the reap is reaped or reaped. In internet, there are both options, reaped and reaped. So you can use reaped or reaped. Okay, anyone you like you can use. So we will say the farmers will have reaped or reaped the harvest before the rains. The mangoes reached the market by April. Remember, when you know this type of sentences comes by time, by the evenings, by the next fall. So this is the indicator of the future perfect tense. These are verbs by the next fall, by the evening, by April, by the middle of December. These are the indicators of the future perfect tense. Okay, every tense has its own indicators. In the same way, future perfect tense also has their own indicators like by April, by the evening, by April, by the December, and by the next fall. Okay, so these are all the indicators. Okay. The mangoes reached the market by April. The mangoes will have reached the market. In the meeting and by the time together. The meeting will have ended. Will have ended. I hope it stopped raining by evening. It shall have stopped. It will have stopped. she take her examination by the next month. I hope it will have stop, in some cases with I we use shall also. So you have to need to remember it. And she take her examination by the next part. She will have taken her examination by the next part. So dear, this is all about exercise. You have to use future perfect tense in the all sentences. So the indicators of the future perfect tense I have already told you. The indicators in this type of phrases by the next part, by beginning, by April, by the middle of summer. These are all the indicators of future perfect tense. Okay, and we will use will have or shall have plus third form. I hope you got the lecture, and we will meet you soon for the next lecture. Allah Hafiz.